This is a cassette player, DR3 from Nakamochi. Yeah, this unit from the customer that we fix a lot of sound devices. He buy and sell the vintage sound system, and he said this unit is worth some money. If he can get it completely to fix. So, like when it's playing, yeah, you can see it's playing now, but if we click the pause button, it's rewind. And the record button, it doesn't work. So we have the lock. So the recording, it's not removed, it's still over there. But when we click to record, it's not in it. You can see it's not moving. Alright, let's take it apart and hopefully just the buttons. And I like this customer when he say everything works. It's very simple. It's just this button. The record button and the pause button. The record button could be as bad because when we click to it, nothing changed. But what I'm really worried about is the pause button, because when we click to it, it's something else happened. So basically, it's not the button issue, I think. The device is on, and let's see, play. So the device is playing. It's called pause. No, it's not working. And stop. The record is not. See the recorder? Nothing happened. So when I short out this pens, nothing happened. It's not recording. So likely it's not the button itself. Yeah, the button is good. Let's see the rewind button or the we need to understand how the things works. That's going to make it more easy to find the problem. So the device is on, and let's click play button, so it's playing, and we click stop is work. Then when we click pause is a rewind, and we already checked the buttons, they works. Let's do it again. So the button works. The recording button, it works. So both buttons, is nothing wrong with them. Yeah, when we test between this point and this point, and we press the button, we see a low ohm reading on the multimeter. Okay, so check what the voltage in the button. So the buttons, they have 5 volt. Five volt, and you can see there is a 5 volt over there and here. So when we press the stop, you can see it's go down. This means it's working. Okay, let's stop it again. The record button, it works. You can see the 5 volt is dropped. So basically here is good. Let's follow these wires to see. And I don't think there is a problem right here. Okay, we have this trace. That's the record button. It's go to the pin number 2. Then it's go to this resistor. The other button, let's go to this pin, or it's go nowhere. Let's see what's that resistor of. It's 2 resistors right there, and these look like red. Is it? Or it look like an orange. No, it's a brown, black, and another color, maybe another brown. So let's see. We turn off the system, and that resistors is a 10 kilo ohm. Next switch, 10 kilo ohm. So it must be like brown, black, orange. Yeah. So we have the recording is the pin number 2, and from this side, and the pause button. The pin number 3 from this side. Alright, let's see where is that button goes. So the wires, it's this wire for this connector. Let's go to this connector right here. So let's see, the play button is number 2 from this side. No, from this side, yes. So that's the recording button, and the pause button must be this side. Yes. Is it? Yes. So we have the connection all the way to here, and here we need to understand how it's going. take this one where the device is off. So that's the record button. It's this pen right here. This pen, it's gonna go to something here. We have nothing here. You can see there is a jumper between this point and this point, but nothing here. And it doesn't go anywhere else. I don't see it's going anywhere else. And number 3 is the pose. 1, 2, 3. So it's over there. You can see a solder bridge over there. Is it the manufacturer puts out that solder bridge? Is it made like that? And if you can see, this screw is, this unit has been opened before. People did some work on it. Remove that bridge and see if that's going to fix the pause button. So that's something going to be easy. Yep, I removed the bridge. Can we test it now? Yeah, why not? The device is on, you can see, and let's click play, and we are going to click stop. Let's click pause. So everything's still working fine. Okay, let's go to pause. It works. Pause, it works, and I can see the mechanism moving. You can see it is moving. So the pose is fixed. Yeah, somebody did a modification in this board and jumped this one here. And maybe they did that, they jumped that switch too. Alright, let's try it. Turn it off, and we take this jumper, so here I remove the jumper from there. So first let's test with new jumper, see how it's going. It's playing now, and let's go record. It doesn't work. The pause, it works. So what about if we did this jumper from this point to this point? What's going to happen? Click record. Now let's play. Okay, still nothing happened. It's not recording. And what about if we did the jump from the first to the third image? At the beginning we did the first and second, now we did the first and the third one. Okay, nothing, still not recorded. Let me put the jumper back how it was. That's good. So now the pause button is fixed. Just the recording button, that's what we need. So the record button. Here, that's the second wire, is the record button. It has 5 volt. When we press record, that 5 volt is dropped, but it's not recording. So all the way to here is good. And let's go to the schematic. It's gonna make the work more easy. Alright, let's see what is here. Right, this is the service manual, and let's look for anything that's gonna help us. This is all how to take the device apart, do the calibration, and some jumpers right here, but that's not the same jumper we have. Jumper that we have is a switch SW1. All how to take the device apart. Keep going. So what's this one? This is the main. This is the main board. I don't think we have anything to do with the main board. It's something between that green board and the power board. Okay, this is the power supply board. That green board is connected to the power supply. So this is the control switch board, and let's see that resistors. It was 10 kilo ohm. Is a 651 and 654. Yeah, 10 kilo ohm, 51, 54 is 10 kilo ohm. So they are good. Some schematic right here. Let's see what is this one. That's the main PCB board. It's power supply, and let's find anything about recording in this connector. So all these connectors doesn't show anything about recording. Let's go next. here is mute and recording from power supply. We have some switches here, but I don't think that's no, that's not from the. Let's see this one. Okay, here we have control switch and display board. That's the one, and we have the recording button. It's right here. So one side of the button is connected to the ground. That's good. The other side is connected to the KS1. So let's see if the button first is connected to the ground. Then the other side of the button, you can see this wire is connected to 10 kilo ohm. That's the one we did test, and we find the 10 kilo ohm, and is connected to the 5 volt. If you remember with this, we checked the power button, we have 5 volt at this point. When the power button presses, that's 5 volt, it's shorted to the ground. In the KS1, the pin number 8, the connector number 8. Let's go. Yeah, that's the connector number 8, and we did check the pin. We have the 5 volt over there. So yes, everything is good here. Let's go next. So that KS1, it's go to this connector, and here it's number 7, KS1. Then number 7, it's go all the way, KS1, it's go to R506. 1 kilo ohm. Let's look for that resistor to see if it's open, hopefully. Okay, we find the connection all the way to here. That's good. And that's the other connector. Let's see, what's the connector? Must be the other one. The connector of the connector number 8. So the connector number 8 in the power board, it's this connector right here. You can see number 8. In that connector, then we have a connection all the way from this pin. No connection. Yeah, no connection here. It's supposed to be a connection from this pin to this pin. Let's try another. Okay, this pin I think is a pause pin. We're gonna short that pin to the ground, and we see if the processor is gonna respond. Okay, that's the ground. This side here is the ground. Let's power it on. You can see the device is on, and we are gonna press here is rewinding. So basically when we short one pin, we short one of these pins to the ground, it's like we press these buttons. Okay, let's see which the recording wire from the schematic. Yeah, the recording wire is a TS1, is the pin number 7 by the ground. The pin number 7 by the ground is right here. Okay, if we shorted that pin to the ground, nothing happened. Nothing happened. So now that's mean, yeah, we pass everything. We pass the buttons, we pass this green board. We are connecting direct to the processor, and we don't have the recording option. I do remember I did see a resistor. Let's look, where is that resistor? The resistor is a 1 kilo ohm. R506. So where is the R506? There is 504 right there. $509, H, 502, 501, 505, 504. Where is the 6? Find everything except the 6. 506. Yeah, this one here. 507 and 506. Okay. So let's turn off the device and we check the resistance and that. One kilo ohm, 900, yeah, 0.9 kilo ohms, meaning almost 1 kilo ohm. So that resistor is good. Let's see. And after that resistor, let's go to the pin 7. So the pin 7 is that's the microprocessor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's the pin number 7. Okay, let's see if we have a good connection to that resistor or maybe a broken trace. So from that resistor, we have good connection. Then from that resistor to this connector, we have good connection. So the connection from here to resistor to the processor is good, no problem in it. So yeah, let's look again, see if we can see anything. This side all the way to the processor is good, no problem in it. Okay, this connector I see record pro is mean protection. Record protection is number 7. The connector number 4. Let's look for it. And that wire it came from this board. That's a mechanism, a cassette mechanism, and here we have record protection. Is go to this switch, record protection switch. Yeah, could be the switch is bad. We know the cassette it has the record protection. It's not off. Yeah, this is the pin for the and let's check. Oh, I can see that switch is touching. Is good. That switch is good. So here, if I remove the cassette, there's no connection. But if I press on it, we have connection. No connection. Connection. So the switch is good. Let's see the record protection where it's go is the pin number 4. The connector number, it's gonna go to the connector number 4 is the number 7, close to the ground. That's the connector number 4. You can see over there SCN4. And where is the ground? So let's say where is the ground? No, it's not this side. It's this side. And here number 2 is missing. The pin number 2. The wire number 2. What's this? Is that the wire, maybe? Yeah, it is. Look, the blue wire, it's right here. It's coming from the switch protection, but why is not connected? And it have this, people put something around it. So let me cut it. The connector still looks good. Okay. Is that the problem? Hopefully. Okay, device turns on. Yeah, he's recording. It was a recording. I did see the recording. I did see the record button over there. So now I don't see it anymore. I can see play, pause, stop. Turn it off and turn it back on. Here it starts recording automatically. Is that why the people take that pen? the recording is right here. No, it's not. Yeah, there is no short in the recording pin. There is a switch over there, and let's turn that switch and I move it, and let's see. Yeah, now the system, when it starts, it doesn't record, but even if I press recording button, it doesn't give me anything. Piece of the map. When this board is moving, it's touching that map. Okay, let's press recording. Why is recording? Still stuck at the recording. Let's see how the voltage here. We have 5 volt. Okay, we have 5 volt. That 5 volt is go to the ground. Okay, let's show me turn again. Is recording. Still fighting with this. So let me show you something in the schematic. So from the switch, we have this KSA1. It's go direct to the KS1 pin number 7. This is the power board section. So we need a connection from here all the way to here. There is nothing else, no component here. It's just a wires. So this is the wire for recording switch. Let's go to this pin right here. That's good. So that's the pin number 2 for the recording switch. It's gonna go to this point here. From this point, look at the other pins. All of them, they have a connection with here. This point, it have no connection. The jumper is right here. This one and this one. This one right here, there is no connection to here. So in the connector of that's on the power board. This is the recording pin right here. The recording pin, it will go. Let's see which one is going. Let's go to this pin. the pin number 2 right here, but there is no connection between here to here. In the schematic there is a direct connection. So this jumper right here, I don't know who moved this jumper to here. Is it a company or the people or someone else? So I'm gonna move this jumper again. I'm gonna move this jumper to here and we'll try. Because no matter when we click to the record button, there is no connection. It doesn't send the signal to this connector that's going to the power board, because there is no connection to that wire. We did the jumper right there. And let's test it again. Yeah, these devices take a long time here. When it turns on, it goes direct to the recording. I don't know why. Then let's click stop. And we're going to click recording. Let's go to pause. Then we can click play. And that's, you can see the recording button. And is recording now. The only thing I don't understand is when the device turns on, it's go direct to recording. This is what I don't. Yeah, I moved the switch right here and now it's not. Is it that switch? This switch right here, it said, no, it's not recording. One more time. No, it's not recording. Let me put it together, then we do another test. Do a test, plug the device to the power. So we'll plug the device to the power. Let's turn it on. And there we go, play. It works. Let's see. Stop. Recording. And we click play. You can see the recording light is on. Here recording, the pause button it work. So, problem that I was worried about, like when you turn it on, it start recording. It's no more. Maybe like because the switch need to, when it's in this position. Yep, you can see it. So this switch should be in the play. Yep, here in the play mode. Alright, so the device is fixed. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. See you again.